How to move Steam saved files to another computer. So if you want to move Steam saved files to another computer, or simply want to play on a different machine, then this guide will walk you through the process. First things first, open your Steam app on your current computer. If you aren't logged in automatically, you'll need to click on the login button. From there, enter your account name and password, then click on the sign in or the login button. It's always a good idea to make sure that your login details are correct to avoid any issues down the line. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive to the Steam homepage, from where you'll be able to navigate to the library section. This is where all the magic happens. Now it's time to select the game whose saved files you want to move. Simply click on the game to highlight. Next, you'll want to right-click on the game's title. A menu will pop up, and from there you should select the Manage option. This will take you to another option menu, from where you'll see the Backup Game Files option. Once you find the backup game files, you need to click on it and proceed with creating a backup of your game save files. So as you can see that in my case, I have for this game right here. So click on backup game files, and then a file browser window will appear, allowing you to choose a folder where you would like to store the backup. Navigate to your preferred location, then click on browse to select the folder. Once you've selected your destination, click create backup to initiate the backup process. Go with select folder, and once you're done, you need to go with create backup here. And there you have it. Your game files are safely tucked away, ready to be transferred. Now it's time to switch the second computer, the one where you will be moving the saved files. Start by booting it up and opening the Steam app. Just like before, you will need to log in with your Steam account. Once you're logged into your Steam on your second computer, you need to click on the Steam on the top left corner of the app. This will open a drop-down menu where you will find the Restore Game Backup option, which will be right here. Just click on it and now click on Browse, and then select the same destination that you've selected earlier, which contains the backup folder or the backup game files that you previously created. After locating the folder, click Restore Backup to begin the retrieval process. You'll then be prompted to select an install location for your game files, choose your desired location, and then click Install. This will restore the game from the backup file to your new computer, allowing you to resume your game actually where you left off. So by following these steps, you can easily move your Steam saved files. Move your game files from one computer to another without any fuss. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.